I bet you didn't know your phone is a snitch. But don't worry, we've got 10 tips to silence it. Let's start with the basics. First, turn on airplane mode. This cuts off GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular signals. Next, disable location services. Go into your settings and turn off location tracking for all apps. Now let's talk about privacy on the web. Use a virtual private network, or VPN. It hides your IP address and encrypts your traffic. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when you're not using them. You don't want those connections giving away your location. For messaging and browsing, install anti-tracking apps like Signal for secure messaging or Orbot for anonymous browsing. If you're really serious, use burner phones or SIM cards for sensitive activities. Also, remember to clear your cache and cookies regularly. Deleting browsing history removes tracking data. And don't forget to encrypt your device. Enable it in your settings to protect your data. Avoid public Wi-Fi like the plague. It's unsecured and can be used to track your activity. Finally, review app permissions. Check what access they have and restrict unnecessary permissions to your location, camera, and mic. There you have it. 10 steps to make your phone untraceable. Stay private, stay safe.